Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. In this video, I will discuss about discrete mathematics. And in discrete mathematics, I will discuss about topic first, logic, that is known as propositional. First of all, you have to clear in mind what do you mean by discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics is branch of mathematics which is dealing with objects that can consider only distinct separated values. Means discrete mathematics is a branch of mathematics which is dealing with number of objects, and these objects can be considered only different and separated values, and it includes different fundamental concepts of sets, relations and functions, mathematical logic, group theory, counting theory, probability, mathematical induction and recurrence relations, graph theory, trees and Boolean algebra. This is discrete mathematics. These all are the fundamental concepts of discrete mathematics which we will study in discrete mathematics. Now, first of all, I will discuss about what is a proposition. A proposition or a statement or logical sentence which is declarative sentence which is used for declare anything in a sentence, that statement will be either true or false. That is known as proposition. This is a proposition. Now again I will repeat. A proposition or a statement or logical sentence that is declared sentence, that is known as declarative sentence, and this sentence is either true or false. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. This is declared that Jawaharlal Nehru is first Prime Minister of India. It will true or false? It's a true. Now next statement is it rained yesterday. It rained yesterday. That means yesterday it's happened that it has rained. So we can say that it will true or false according to this statement. Yesterday was raining or not. If next statement is if x is an integer, then x raised to power 2 is a positive integer. It will true or false. If we take x is equal to 2, then x raised to power 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, and this is a positive integer. But if we take x is equal to minus 2, then again x raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 multiply minus 2 minus minus cut, that we get again 4 in positive form. So we can say that it's a true. So those statements which give the result as a true or false, that will be propositions. For example, this is the second example. In this example, I will discuss about those statements which are not propositions. Those statements which are not propositions. For example, please report at 11 a.m. sharp means you have to report at sharp 11 a.m. It's a normal statement. It will not true or false. It's exact time. You have to present report at 11 a.m. sharp. And second, what's your name? This is also a statement which is not proposition because you cannot give your answer in yes or no. You cannot give answer true or false. You have to exactly tell your name because question is what's your name? So that's why we can say that this is not a proposition. Those statements which give the exactly answer, that is known as normal statements, simple statements, not a proposition. But those statements in which we have two answers, either true or false, that statements are known as proposition. For example, next, x square is equal to 13. This is declare that x square is equal to 13. We cannot say that it's a true or false. So that's why these statements are not proposition. Now next point is propositional variables. Propositional variables means the lowercase letters which starting from P onwards are used to represent propositions. Means propositional variables are represented by P. For example, India is in Asia. India is in Asia. It's true or false? And for representing this statement, we use P. This is propositional variable. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is a statement. For representing this statement, we use Q variable. That is known as propositional variables. Now next point is compound statements. Statements or propositional variables which can be combined by means of logical connectives, operators to make a single statement, that is known as compound statements. Means those operators, those symbols which are used to combining two variables to make a single statement, that is known as compound statements. There are 5 logical connectivities. First symbol is used for negation. This symbol is known as not, and it also name is in mathematics negation. Connective name is not and symbol is tilde. Next symbol is used for and it's also known as in mathematics conjunction. When two statements are true,